Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Vahini Reddy and I practice at the dental venue Koramangala, Bangalore, India. I have been practicing here for the past 15 years. People often ask me a basic question if dental implants are better than natural teeth. My answer to them is always the same. Dental implants are the best option to replace missing teeth, but not to replace teeth. Your dental practitioner or implantologist will try his best to preserve your natural tooth because that is any day better than placing a dental implant. However, there is a limit to the extent you can go to preserve your natural tooth, especially if it is extensively decayed or infected. If the prognosis of your natural tooth is compromised, then dental implants is the best option. Dental implants do not have cavities, they do not decay, and you do not have to worry about root canal procedures, etc. If natural teeth are infected, you may have pain and an abscess may surround the root of your tooth. In such a situation, the bone density is compromised. If this natural tooth is removed, there is a chance for the bone to come back to health, and dental implants may actually improve the bone quality. Of course, it goes without saying that meticulous planning is required prior to the dental implant procedure to see if you are eligible for this process. It is imperative to have a proper general health check your bone density, and so on. If you fit into these criteria, then your dental implants can last you a lifetime. So if you're in two minds about getting a dental implant process, do speak to your implantologist in detail about the pros and cons of doing so.